going now. Perfect. Stay with them. Get on the rail, honey. Deep. Hard right. Right is right. Keep going. Way up. Really good. Yep. Push your hands, bend over. Yep. Gave you the change. Ride the left. Deep. Look at it. Eight. So remember, get on that rail, deep, left leg. Kick him off your left leg. Left. Much better. Here you go. He gave you the change. Good. So think about this, both of you, horse showing. I like to teach from a horse show aspect of it all.